Often with the ACS, we get asked about tractor size. So today we're going to run the ACS on this Ford 1310 tractor. It's just a hair under 2,000 pounds and about 20 horsepower. And it's often at the small end of what we would recommend for running the ACS. But we thought we should show you some tips and tricks about making it a success on smaller tractors. The main difference we're going to make is, although we often recommend for normal weeding passes to set the spider gang with a little bit of an in-tilt, when running the ACS on small tractors that don't have the weight to really hold the unit back, we're always going to want to set the spider so it's kicked in, effectively moving soil away from the row. The reason we're doing this is, as we're running the finger weeder head, it's going to push quite a lot on the toolbar, pushing it this way, pushing the tractor away from the row. When we have the ACS set into the row, and I'll just go back there for a moment, those spider tines will have a tendency to want to roll the toolbar also in this direction. And we have both forces trying to push the toolbar away. And often at about 2,000 pounds, the tractor doesn't have enough weight to keep it that way, and operators tend to drive down the rows on quite a bit of an angle. By rotating the spiders away from the row, we counterbalance the force of the finger weeder pushing the toolbar away with the spiders trying to drive back into the row, and it creates more of a balanced force and allows small tractors like this to work effectively on equipment like the ACS. Another important consideration on most rear-mounted toolbars like this one here is adding a bit of extra weight so we can push down the ACS into the soil. The amount of weight will depend on your soil conditions. Often starting with about 2 of them is a great way, but we have the ability to expand up to quite a few more. If you have any more questions, feel free to contact us at tilmor.com. Thank you.